What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. So speaking with AU Vodka, they recommended I try the lemonade with the bubblegum vodka and it should change colour. So I can't wait to put this to the test to make the bubblegum cocktail. It's a really simple one to make this. So 60ml or 2 ounces of AU Vodka, a bubblegum flavour. And now for the test, the lemonade. I'm using Schweppes. I've always liked using Schweppes. I feel it's a very good brand. Oh, look at that. Look at it changing it to a nice purple colour. So that is about 60ml, 2 ounces as well, but look at that, how crystal clear. Just give you a close up. Look how it changes from a vivid blue colour to a nice purple colour. So how does it taste, the bubblegum cocktail? Well, that is absolutely beautiful. Well, one recommendation I will do, I'll add a bit more lemonade to that. So what I've done, I've added another ounce to it, so 90ml or 3 ounces of lemonade. I just feel it's a little bit too overpowering, so I'll add 90ml, so that should hopefully balance this out. That's much better, that. Of course, it's not overpowering with the bubblegum vodka, but that gives it a nice, beautiful balance. As it lets the bubblegum seep through it, as you can taste it, and it's absolutely beautiful. I could drink this all day. And what a fun little vodka it is, AU Vodka, absolutely smashing it, and a fun little thing to play with. But that is a quick, efficient and nice cocktail to make. That is a bubblegum cocktail by AU Vodka. But if you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as I really do appreciate it. We're on the march to 2K, we're so close now. And I will see you guys for my next cocktail video. Cheers.